So we traveled for 6 weeks this summer, and all summer long we were using the mini split HVAC system on our RV right here, our box truck, for the air conditioning, and it worked very well. It runs off of the entire thing runs off of the battery. Now I'm going to have the first opportunity to test it with the heater side of the mini split, and it's going to be good. I hope. One thing that I really like about this is that it can fit easily. I am in a Cracker Barrel, and you can see over here there's a bunch of big rigs, but I can fit very easily in a parking spot just like that. And then there's this thing. So I'm backed up against the wall, but this is the outside unit for my HVAC. And this right here is the inside unit. Hey everybody, I'm Bill from Live Simple, Live Free, and I am alone this evening. Actually, Elizabeth has to have a sleep study this evening in a town that's about an hour away from us, and she had to be there at 8 o'clock this evening, and she finishes at 6 in the morning. So rather than drop her off and go home again and then come back in the morning, I just drove up in this, and which is our only vehicle anyway. And while she's doing the sleep study, I'm going to be sleeping here. But tonight is actually, we're in the middle of the first cold spell of the season. It's mid-October, and tonight it's supposed to be below freezing for the like the third night in a row. It's below freezing. So I'm going to put this to the test. We used it in Colorado when we were out there up in the mountains when it dropped down to about 50. We were up at elevation, and but you know, it's going to be below freezing tonight, so we'll see how it works. And like I said earlier, this thing runs completely off of the batteries and the solar. I don't have any plug-in shore power. It's 110 volt, goes through the inverter, but we'll run it this evening and see how it works. So here's my control screen that shows my battery right now is at 93%, and I'm going to turn the air conditioner on, or the heater. It's set at 74. Let's see, mode. There's the heat, I believe. I don't want it at 74. I'm going to turn it down to 70, and we'll run it all night, and we'll see what the battery says in the morning. Right now it's about 50 outside, and this little thermometer shows that it's like 65 in here. So it should come on and heat up a little bit right now. All right, it's kicking out heat very nicely. Feels great.
Maybe that's why I was saved, so I could be here for you. Your brother. You really think that's how...
Okay, it's now 4:02 a.m. A couple of hours ago, I dropped the temperature from 72 to 68, and the battery is holding at 68%. It's doing fine. Okay, it's 5:45 in the morning. I'm just about to go and pick up Elizabeth from her sleep study. I slept well. It's 38 degrees outside right now, and when I got up this morning, I bumped the temperature up from 68 to 72 degrees. And the battery is at 61%. Oh. So it's doing well. It's not charging at all because the sun isn't up yet. But as soon as the sun hits it, it'll start to charge. It'll probably be charged, fully charged by about noon or so, just from the solar. And then of course, if I drive, which I will be, it also charges from the engine. So I am just extremely pleased with how this HVAC mini split system works for heating and air conditioning. When I first installed it on the truck here, I had a lot of people that were watching it that were very skeptical, saying that it wouldn't work, that it would fall off, that, you know, whatever, that it would break going down the road. It's been working now for 6 months, and it's just a pleasure to have, and it's completely silent. Completely silent. There's a truck parked across the parking lot over there that's got a refrigerator unit running, a reefer truck, refrigerator truck. And I'm laying here at night and I can hear the reefer running from that truck outside with all the doors closed. I can hear that, but I can't hear my mini split here. So, wow. I'm so glad I did this. So anyway, there you go. It's working just the way I planned. So thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. You be blessed. We'll see you next time.